How to fix network error or please try later on Shein. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update the app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Shein. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is clear app cache and data. For that, you'll need to close this and launch your settings app. Now scroll down and click on the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Shein. Once you find it, launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the app. Now you will need to check and switch network. For that, head back to the main page of settings. Make sure you have disabled for the option VPN. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, use the web browser instead. Many users report that switching to a browser like Chrome or Safari bypasses app errors. Try using the web browser instead of the app. Opening Shein via your mobile browser often avoids the glitch altogether. If none of the above fix the issue, wait at least 24 hours and retry. Temporary server-side issues might resolve automatically. Reach out to Shein support with any specific error messages or codes. They may reset your account or fix underlying server problems. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix network error or please try again later on Shein. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.